Big breath.
Breathe it in.
Here we go.
You lift my heart up when the rest of me is down. And you enchant me even when I'm not around. Think we're close to no one. Can I lock in your love?
It's a sexy song. He's very sexy with it.
Come on, Delta.
I got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching onto you. Ooh, yeah. I got you shackled in my embrace. Latching onto you.
Oh, I'm very proud of them. Yay, good job.
Hello.
Hello,
What's your name?
Truman. I'm 25 and I'm from Kalgoorlie, WA.
Yeah. What kind of music do you listen to, sir?
R&B.
Give me some names.
Chris Brown,
Chris Brown.
Sam Smith, obviously, and John Legend.
Okay, so that kind of music and that vibe of music, it's got to be kind of a little bit sexy, you know? For me, I just didn't feel it. And the only other thing I'd say technique-wise, smile. Your embrace. You can hear the difference and it will really help.
Thank you.
That's a really hard song to sing. If you haven't had much experience of major nerves, they're just going to pull your whole note out of like, ooh. So I just say just continue singing in front of a lot of people. Just keep loving it and keep enjoying it.
Thank you.
Good man. Nice work, man. Well done.
Well done. It's great.
I'm so proud of you.
Yeah.